Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are trading deep sea dives for street side strolls. How about that for a mouthful? So grab your shades, your smile and maybe a coconut, because we are walking the full length of Pattaya's beach road from Walking Street all the way to near Dolphin Roundabout. So as it's a long video, we are splitting it into 3 parts. We have started where the night begins and the stories never end, Walking Street. It's calm now, like a tiger stretching before the hunt. Give it a couple of hours and this place will roar. But we're walking the other way today. Let's head north. Now this stretch of beach road is pure Pattaya. Massage signs blinking like they've had too much coffee, seafood grilling on the sidewalks, and the street vendors ready to sell you glasses even if you're wearing 3 already. And if you've ever wanted a floral shirt, fake Ray-Bans and a laser pointer all at once, this is your shopping paradise. To your left, the beach, soft sand, lazy waves, and the occasional jet ski zipping like it forgot how the brakes work. To your right, more food than your diet would approve of. Fried squid, mango sticky rice, coconut ice cream. Calories don't count on holiday, right? Also, during the daytime, watch out for the pigeons. They are not shy. I lost the French fry to one that made eye contact before the heist. As the sun drops lower, the vibes get smoother. You will start to hear live music drifting out of the bars. One guy with a guitar, one girl with a mic, and a crowd that's 2 drinks into singing along to Hotel California. It's kind of magic. Beach Road isn't just for wanderers like us. Joggers glide past, thinking they're in a footwear ad. Cyclists ring their bells politely, then zoom off like they are chasing gold medals. And tourists, well, we're all here for the same reason, to soak in the Sunset Street dream. We're coming up to central Pattaya. Here the road gets a little glossier. Big hotels, malls like Central Festival, and cafes that serve lattes with frothy art, too pretty to drink. It's the modern heartbeat of the city, with a latte in one hand and the beach view in the other. Now, Beach Road is the kind of place where you see more selfies than seagulls. Honestly, if I had a baht for every peace sign I saw today, I could buy a beachfront condo. Ah yes, the famous Thai massage signs. You will see one every 10 steps. It's like Starbucks in Bangkok, but instead of coffee, it's elbows in your back. Beach Road is like a fashion show with no dress code. Shorts, sarongs, speedos, and sometimes all at once. And that's just one German tourist. There's nothing like sipping fresh coconut juice while watching the waves and dodging selfie sticks like you're in a ninja movie. As you continue the walk, you will come across plenty of street entertainers. You will find them performing mainly around the middle section of the beach road. We have nearly covered the first section of the walk, guys. From neon nights to palm-lined serenity. This walk shows every side of Pattaya. Fast, slow, loud, quiet. It's a city with many moods, and you just walk through most of them. If you have enjoyed our stroll through the heartbeat of Pattaya, give this video a thumbs up, comment on your favourite moment, and remember to hit that red subscribe button. Until next time, remember, life's a beach and occasionally a wild street walk. Stay curious, friends, and remember, be happy. Bye for now.